Someone stole my purse in the cinema hall. What? Let it go? No way. I'm going to the police station. Yeah, to lodge a complaint.
Police station.
A police station is the control center for police in a particular location. It is the place where crimes and complaints are registered and investigated.
Police car. A car which is provided to the police personnel for discharging their duties. Whistle.
Whistle is provided to the policemen to use as an alert sound to the public whenever required.
Walkie-talkie. A walkie-talkie is an electronic device which is used by the policemen for internal communication within the police department. Handcuffs.
A handcuff is a strong steel locket that is used by policemen to lock the hands of a criminal or an accused.
Report book. A report book is a book that contains the first-hand information on the cases booked that generally includes the details of the crime, criminal, and the investigating officers. Policeman.
A policeman is an official who enforces law and order in his area of jurisdiction. A policeman is armed with lethal weapons like a revolver.
Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a bike that can transport two people at a time from one place to another. One rides the bike and the other sits at the back. Traffic policeman.
A traffic policeman is a person who regulates the traffic and penalizes the people who violate the traffic rules and regulations.
Nightstick. A nightstick is a short, stout wooden piece with a handle which is generally used by policemen while they face an encounter with the criminals or dacoits.
Jail. Jail is the place where criminals are kept under strict observation after they get punishment from the court. Gun. Kids, we all know what a gun is, and every child loves to play with a toy gun wearing a cowboy costume. Siren. This is a particular type of horn used by police vehicles so as to alert the people about the arrival of police or an emergency. Police van. Criminals are taken from one place to another in a police van. Custody. Custody is the place in the police station where suspects are kept before presenting them in the court.